Wapigeni makofi tafadhali. Wao ndo wanashughulikia maneno ya wapi? Ya hapa, si ndio? Na limwe ukipatana na wao huko kama CEO, uone CEO agerete uguo, mundu ni ndaa kumuria aikondu ina mundu uguo, mundu ndaa kumuria CEO, wewe mtu paka. Kanate andu a Ngai. Ni ona weto wenda utuike mutumia wa CEO wa ma. Si hapo mzuri. Githweri ni ugathie guthomera gwake nyumba ni muguthomba uri muri arageria kuu. Ukamuria wewe bibi? Mzuri sana. Ni. Waigwa mimi taka ogere tukua mwere basi twende. Nwe mundu wa Ngai ni kuyaria. Uboko ku uguo ndugaikara ro uguo nawe muri nda kwiyurithia koria uguo iwe okoro no califlector wina ko maundu magere riu ndagikero na mweke uyu twina muini renda kuhe mweke nigetha okia tuinire muini weinete mabũrũri ngũrani ni athiĩte nja wa bũrũri ni acerete mabũrũri ngũrani akaringithia rwĩmbo akaina muthenya wa ira arari kũrĩa Washington DC ni athirũkĩte nginya UA ni athirũkĩte nginya New York agathi Florida California Seattle akaringa nginya kũrĩa Haiti Portugal wothe ni athirũkĩte ona ndaraire gũkũ araire kũrĩa Uganda kwa Museveni etĩkĩraine gĩtĩo kĩnene mũno makĩria tũmũnyite ũgeni one and only Jack Sijo. Kenagia haha daine haha riu na gitio kene na muno makiria etika iturugame na iguru tumunyite ugeni mubunge witu wa Kiharo Dende Nyoro. Karibu sana mheshimiwa.
Thank you. Noto ikarethi. Asante sana our MC
bana jigwa agitwa Gacaro iye ndimiwe Kiagoshi Secondary School and principal wa Kiagoshi ali ha Mr. Dongo. Karibu Mr. Dongo ili pengine usalimie watu na useme unene jambo moja angalau. Karibu.
Mheshimiwa wito Bwana Dede Nyoro, we are grateful ageni aria gimokite MCAs aciari a cukuru citu ciothe turi neno host Muchungusa primary and the secondary, and we have our Kiagoshi Secondary School iria nayo iri thiini wa location ino. I am Samuel Dongo Muiruri, a one-day-year-old principal. I was given that opportunity on Wednesday. Yesterday I was told to come here. Na no kione mundu kanaga kamwa kamuthenya umwe no ni ngukenera Ngai muno turia ndirerirwo ni twi invited tuke. I was grateful ni tondu mheshimiwa ni tu interacted kundu kungi in the churches na hau na hage hau na haria no ni tukenete muno ni hotire gukana my parent as the major members of the board na koro mwetikira kurugama andu a Kiagoshi Secondary School ni wega na andu a board ni nyuma nao eri ngwiciria ni more than 2 simameni watu wa Kiagoshi the members the wazazi ni ndiramthiite door to door ngimeraga metikire ndiuka andu aria magirite. Oh, I can see them there. Thank you. My student, where are you? My 3 students and the teacher, Mr. Mwangi, where are you? Come to represent our school. Mr. Mwangi and the 3 students that I came with. It was a very short notice. Na ndiakigeririe ndiguiguaga ndinaruta wira uria njagire gwika, but we are grateful. O magiukaga nyambe njuge coketie ngatho mheshimiwa tondu ndokire. Actually I am 6 months old in the school. I came in January na doka ndambire kumera in the parade. I told them you are in a college. The students are really grateful. The teachers are very grateful for much that you have done. Through your effort, through your guidance and effort, we have managed to be given a grant that we are going to construct the dining hall and a ablution block. We are grateful. Can we clap for mheshimiwa? Nituhetu grant na nituretikia tondu arutwo aitu mariagira rungu rwa miti na ungiuka kuo no tuiguaga ti kwega muno no nitugukena muno ni tondu wa wira mwega. Nitwamenyanire na UPA na tukigia kunyitana. Nidakorire niekite plastering of the classes and we are grateful for that. Nitukenete ni tondu wa lunch program gwitu tuiguaga tari college tondu riu arutwo moka ora ni marongagira gacuru ni marongagira kamucere na gatheri na irio iria ingi mukoretwo mugituhe. We are grateful. The other thing is about the bursary that have enabled the student to remain in school. We are really grateful for that. Bursary ni mututeithitie muno, ni mutumite ciana citu na githoma igakorwo she very healthy in their studies. The requirement tariu ungiuka no urigwo ukuingirira ha tondu the school gate is required. The other bit that we are appealing ni hari murutwo mwe last year wekire wega muno witagwo Wani Wanjiku Wambiri na mamu wao imaguko guku mamu wa Mbiri ucio niwe nyina ni ahotire kugia na grade ya guthie Karatina University. Unfortunately ni undu wa challenge ya kimuhuko ni arapiru na arikorwo no anyitirirwo we have a role model in our school, and Wajiko Abiri, who was able to get admission in Karatina University. Na riu mamu wao ni ukijirite korwo kwahoteka mwecimu no tukene tuna mwire twitagwo mbere wa irimu ni twagwetete hindi wengi mwokite kora gutucera Gacaru ni akoragwo na thina thomithagia biology kirathi kia form 2 na riu twethaga gati tugacoka tugetha kangi tondu ni agina accident na gikorwo atena kuguru kumwe ni turapiraga if it is possible agie na wheelchair. Thank you. My student kai matukanire mbari guone guka. Where are my student? Kiago Secondary School. Yes. Hey, faster, come here. Yeah, we wanted, yeah. Let them come. They just come. Faster. So the rules are okay. Otherwise, we are grateful, Mheshimiwa. Ni tondu woguo. Uyu niwe mwalimu wa Girigasha kuria gwitu. Riria turara unchoro wa mai thiini wa our location ni ndona maundu mega tondu uyu arathomithia Girigasha iria guteithia arutwo aitu riria mekurikia ni meguteithia ciari ni uhoro wa farming. Thank you so much and may God bless you. Tukuragia kabisa ka Mheshimiwa tukuragia kabisa.
Thank you. Makihura kwa kabisa. Wapigeni makofi tafadhali. Mahoro bisa. Okay, mahoro bisa. Ona even andu abodi ya mwene moke makuhiriria me hakuhi. Are me hakuhi abodi kuhiriria imahoro bisa. Mheshimiwa Machigo, Mheshimiwa Ruiro. Ona inyoka ibisa ine. Ini. Na we urahura bisa ojo ende thutha wao. Maringi kioneke ndi bisa ine. Ini. Thank you very much. Asanteni. Ay. Oriri akinya. We horo bisa we na Mheshimiwa Mwivika. Ni. Rugo ndio wagwira. Kaba gucererwo. Ugacera ugacoka kuga ay. Ni geithia. Ndukingeithia. Thank you very much. Asante sana. Thank you. Ni ndo wa mahinda kwa sababu ya wakati ningependa kumkaribisha our ACC Madam Esther. Tafadhalini tumkaribisheni kwa makofi. Kama nyitiogani na makofi mega. Karibu sana. Karibu.
Asante sana Hira. Mheshimiwa wetu ambaye tunapenda sana, Ndindi Nyoro, MCA Ruiru, landlord wangu MCA Township. Ndio lazima niseme hapo nikitelewa kulipa rent usinifukuze. Alafu rafiki yangu Mheshimiwa Hana, timu yangu Ashiari, Shiana, Murega rege. Gaine mwega na bende sunde. Aya, ngavia ni ogu. Mwana usionge. Hawa watoto nisalimieni. Mimi naitwa Esther Modoni Moto. Mimi ndiye Assistant County Commissioner Kiharu. Wengine wenu mnakaa very familiar, tumeonana pahali na niko na furaha sana leo kukuja hapa tena. Nimekuja hapa tena na nimerudi tena. Mheshimiwa wetu, tunataka kukushukuru sana kwa yale yote umetufanyia. Nitarudia venye principal alisema hakuna MP kama wewe. In fact, Mheshimiwa, na kuomba the next time MPs wanakuja ku benchmark usiache wetu anaitwa Geshimo wapale Geshogo. Tafadhali mbebe mkuje na yeye aone ile maendeleo inaendelea. Kwa hayo nataka kuinvite timu yangu ikuje introduce.
Our MP Honorable Ndindi Nyoro, MCA na MCA wengine wenye wamekuja, na director wa TALTA, engineers na contractors, walimu wetu, wazazi, our students and pupils.